He drove that there.
No.
What's this?
Right, now you do that.
Fucking hell. I took past it.
Didn't quite have the same action, but...
Oh no.
Through, that's it. One. That go a mile?
Oh yeah, it went miles, yeah.
Oh! In the net. It's a sweet strike. So I think that's a definite slight improvement on our golf game there today. We're getting closer to that golden make a par on a Bradford golf course.
I think, is that a yearly target, that?
Yeah, 1 year. Make par. Ponce. Right, once you've stopped messaging your bird. Right, it's today the day. Are we going to do it today?
Of course we fucking have.
On the third attempt. What do you want to listen to get us in the mood?
Some Trevor Nelson funk and soul jams.
Yes!
It's all nothing, yeah. You're talking in my sleep about love with me. It's all nothing. Fucking love this song.
So the third attempt, third time we've been here on this station, terrifying the locals. If we don't beat it today, do we move on, accept defeat, try a different route? Is this the one, the last attempt?
This is the final countdown.
Right.
This is it. It's now or never.
I've got me crunchy.
And my big hula hoops. Fuck me, we're on 15 views.
15 people have watched our video.
Well, 2 of those are me. Look.
And probably 2 of those are me.
So
Wow.
11 people.
4 likes.
No, 1 of those is me.
And 1 of those is me.
So 2 likes, fucking hell.
No one was meant to watch this crap. I told you.
15 views. Fucking superstars.
Wonder what Sean's doing. Alright, here we go.
Camera boys.
We're not getting on, we're just filming. You're going to regret that.
No, I don't bother me in the slightest.
See ya. We'll try. Sooner than you think. Right, let's do it.
Fuck that cyclist.
Oh, you fucker. Get out of the way.
Oh, is that Creepy John? Fucking is, well. Fucking scary. Bottle of Rosa. Yeah, I think we have. Yes! Yes!
Oh, mate.
Now.
Right. Did you see his face? He looked pretty shocked to see us.
Mad.
You didn't expect that, did you?
How did you get in before? How did you get in before, mate? That's mad.
Yeah. Pretty impressive, isn't it?
Got me coggled there. I know I'm slow at stations, but it ain't that slow, surely.
Legal speed limit.
That was rapid, mate. I'm just have to check my time now, make sure I've got it right. Just double check, yeah, I'm definitely right, lads. Champion, you've done
Nice
well,
man.
Cheers. I'll see you at Bradford, yeah?
Yeah.
But you don't
See
be
ya.
there.
No.
See you later, lads.
See ya.
See you, mate. Take care. Fucking incredible.
And what a bloke as well.
Not a sound guy.
So that was George from Northern Trains. I hope you find this one day. Maybe we'll see him again at some point.
General top bloke.
Yeah. Oh, right, we've done it.
Finally fucking done it.
That was a pretty amazing performance.
In fact, we smashed it as well. He wasn't even like close.
We did. And the look on his face. I think the best bit was it's because it looked like we'd been there for ages before. Just waiting for him.
We had that air of calm about us. We weren't out of breath. We weren't like, you know, just coming round the corner. We were just ready and waiting.
Right, what have we got? Fruit and nut for you. Good choice. Magnum for me. And 4 of the... 4...
How many?
4 of the greatest beers known to mankind. And this is us signing off from another glorious day at Twatrail.
Da